Maybe are the stacked mediums. So I like this palette because we've had this item before. It's an electric cooler, but I saw around the corner, this skinny box back here is Mongoose, which is a pretty good bike brand. So it can be like a $300 to $400 bike. So that might be a good one.
I like this one. It's a little more pricey, but it has lithium battery sticker on it. There's lots of like electronic looking things in here. I'm gonna try to sell Sarah on this one.
You're not
A lot
supposed
of
to
goodies.
touch it.
Oh, sorry. You're not supposed to dig through the pallets, so.
He's got some goodies today though. I think we gotta keep looking. Lots of lithium stickers, which can be good stuff.
Yeah. Let's get it.
All right, we're waiting for them to bring our pallet to our truck right now. We thought it was $350, but it's on sale for $225 today. So cheap. He has so much inventory. I think he's trying to get rid of some of it because he has more coming in. Super exciting. He's doing really great. So let's go make some cash.
TikTok or YouTube?
Cool hat.
Thank you. Compliments of Mitch. Pretty sweet.
Think we got a good one?
Oh yeah, I think we made our money back with like 2 items.
For $225, you can't really lose.
You can't lose at all for $225.
Look at all these goodies.
Sarah really wants one of these right here. Those are Target.
Yeah. Amazon got us again though.
Before we get any further into the video, we want to talk about today's video sponsor, Planta.
I absolutely love the look and feel that live plants add to our home, but I'm not always the best at taking care of them.
That's very true. She needs a little help in that department.
I just kind of forget about them, but Planta offers a lot of help with that.
Planta keeps us both on track of taking care of the plants in the house. Planta is an award-winning plant care app that helps millions of users around the world to keep their plants alive.
So in our house, I have a lot of different variety of plants. Some of them need different types of soil, some of them need full sun, full shade, but I don't actually really know what they need.
She picks them because they look cute. The care is very different, so that's why it's good to have all the reminders that Planta offers.
So when my plant is looking really sad, I often don't really know how to help it. But that's where Planta comes in.
So let me show you how it works. When you open the Planta app, it comes up with all your plants and it has different reminders for taking care of them. This one, we're about 16 days late on watering the fig. Oh, no. So I think I need to go do that right after this video. So it gives you different reminders and then tells you when to water it, add fertilizer, mist it, all that kind of stuff. And as Sarah said, there's like a Dr. Planta. If you have a plant that looks very sad, you can just take a picture of it and come up with a personalized plan of how to bring it back to life. It's pretty cool. Another great feature is if you just bought a new plant and you're looking for the perfect place to put it in your home, Planta has a light meter where you can actually scan your room and see what has the best light for that specific plant. So apparently plants need different light. I didn't really know that.
When I open up my app, I have an intelligent care schedule that is personalized for each of my unique plants. I'm reminded when it's time to water, mist, fertilize, clean, and repot each one depending on its own needs. It is customized based on 20+ parameters such as local weather, temperature, humidity, daylight, plant size, pot material, distance to window, and more. This comes in super handy when I usually lose track of time between waterings.
So check out the link in our description. If you click on it and use code JamieandSarah20 as a discount code, you're gonna get 20% off the 12-month premium plan of Planta.
Let's get back into the video. We spent $225 on this pallet of Amazon returns.
So let's open it up and see what's inside.
There's some lithium battery stickers on the outside of the box, which is always a good sign that maybe there's some high dollar items in there.
So, like we said, these were $350, we thought, but Mitch had them on sale because he had so much inventory. He's trying to make more room for new trucks. We got a steal of a deal. Sarah saw this thing right on top, and you looked it up. What was the value?
It's on sale right now on Amazon for $199, normally $250. That's a good item.
So if you watch our videos before, we sell things for around half of retail value. So that's $100 right there.
Yep.
Half of our pallet in this one item. I'm just gonna open it real quick, see what kind of condition it's in, see if it's open box, new, or used.
Or if it's even in there.
Or if it's even in there, yeah. So looks like
all right.
Still has plastic, so open box, maybe used once. It's hard to tell. I may have to open it up and do a little more investigation, but it all appears to be there. Sweet.
That's a good first
$100
item.
bill right there.
All right. Here's the next one. Total mystery.
What
okay.
is it?
I don't know.
I've seen on TV something.
Ooh.
Is it a wok? No, it's not a wok.
No.
We're not big into cooking around
We're
here.
really good chefs, clearly. It's a fry pan. It looks fancy though. I bet that's more than you think.
Non-stick.
Sweet.
Dishwasher safe.
Cool.
Sweet.
brand new.
All right, let's see. We got another Keurig, which we also saw.
Yep.
Let's open that one.
All right. The classic Keurigs retail for about $100, so still a pretty good item. So this Keurig looks pretty new. I'll have to plug it in and make sure we're good and that all the pieces are there and nothing's cracked and broken. There's some quality control I'll have to do, but that's a good one.
How much is that one worth?
About 100, I think.
Yeah, so that's like a base model Keurig.
Yep.
If you are curious on how to look stuff up, all you gotta do is go to your Amazon app, and on the top search bar, right by the microphone icon, there's a little picture icon. You can just take a picture of the barcode or sometimes the item and it'll pull right up. This says Pressware Domes. Feels like what's in there. So
You think so?
like a paper product. Oh no,
Nope.
It's something different.
It's a crib mattress.
Crib mattress.
Oh no.
Out of packaging. So that's gonna be a hard sell, probably a donate item.
Yeah.
Not really sellable without plastic packaging.
Oh, it's a big one.
Bug
Big and
collector.
light. Okay. Bug Flector. I think this is to protect your car from bugs.
Yeah.
Is that a thing
Your
we
new
need
car.
protection from? I think that's what's in there. Cool.
All right, interesting. Oh, that sounds broken.
So this pallet was a little bit on the smaller side, which I kind of like. It's less overwhelming to sell and get through, and we can make our profit back pretty quick. So
Yeah, if you're looking to try out pallet flipping, an option like this is really great. It's not too overwhelming. Perfect.
Yep.
What is that?
I don't know.
Usually you guys in the comments are pretty good at telling us what
Yeah,
this
what's
stuff is.
this?
What do we have here?
Transom saver. Protects your boat engine during storage and trailering. If all the stuff is there,
Not a boater, but
doesn't look great.
we sold like a boat throttle before for a couple
Yeah.
$100. This stuff might be more,
This
you
looks
think, but
kind of broken.
yeah, some missing pieces maybe.
Yeah.
That might be a tough sell too.
Yeah.
Safety gate, which that feels like what's in here. We'll look it up and show it on screen for you, but baby gates sell really well. So
These are mad sellers for me. I don't
Yep.
know why, but people love to buy these on Marketplace. Every time I get them, sell right away.
yeah, I mean, even if you only get 20 to 40 bucks for that,
Yeah.
they're saving money, they're getting a discount, and we're paying for our pallet, so
Yep.
good. So because we got this pallet so cheap, we only need a $450 MSRP to break even. I'm sure we're already well past that, but
Yep.
so this is a great pallet.
Whoa, that's cool.
3D mini.
This one definitely looks like it's been returned because there's like duct tape on it, but it's not attached. So I'll have to spend some time probably putting this one together, making sure all the pieces are there, but that's definitely what's in the box.
Stroller.
So, yep.
Baby stroller, okay.
These
All right.
littler strollers are great. I get a lot of actually like grandmas buying baby stuff from me on Facebook Marketplace because they just need new items at their house
An
here and
extra
there.
one, yeah.
Yeah, extra stuff.
Yep.
So they want to get them nice and cheap.
Perfect.
That's good.
Mystery box of sorts. Interesting.
What's it gonna be? Oh, a doormat.
Entryway doormat.
Ooh.
Kind of like a fancy one. Rubber. Don't know why that would have been returned, but it looks brand new. Garage sale item.
A lot of those smaller items are good garage sale things to do once or twice a season because it's hard to set something out for me if it's less than a $10 or $20 item. If we get a lot of those smaller items, it's good to do garage sales, and people seem to do really well with that. So we might have to try that this summer.
Yeah, that would not be really an eBay item either because it's so low dollar value. The Keurigs will sell great on eBay. We've sold tons of coffee makers and small appliances on eBay because they're in that, 50 to 150 range.
Right.
They're cheap to ship for how small they are too.
So we love using Facebook Marketplace primarily because we're not getting charged a shipping fee or a commissions fee just for using their site.
And if we haven't mentioned this yet, we get all our pallets from GRP Liquidations. They're located in Dorr, Michigan.
Yep.
He has great deals on pallets. And we
Especially
always-
this week.
Yes, especially this week. So if you're in the area, check them out for sure. Fisher Price, Little People.
Aw,
We like
I
little
think-
people at our house.
I love little people. I think this might be the farm we have.
Really?
The girls play with like every day.
Animals Farm.
Oh!
You okay?
Yeah.
Need safety goggles here.
Hey, we have this toy.
Sweet.
This is like my girl's favorite toy, but I bought it from a thrift store like a couple years ago.
Let's pull it out. You get the idea.
This is the best toy ever.
It's
I don't
fun,
know
has some good
why.
songs.
It does.
On the farm, there's lots of pigs, a chicken, and a horse. Who loves taking care of them? The farmer
Does of course. Oh, it's toasty
Give me
out
a
today.
like for that one, or
Right.
subscribe if you haven't already.
What is this? Oh my.
It's got a lot of pieces. Build your own pieces of furniture.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna look that up and see, because we'll be selling that locally on Marketplace.
So it's some sort of like shelving unit, but we'll have to either put it together or try to find instructions online. I don't know. This says it's a pool, so it's not a pool.
Yeah, it's hard because you don't know like if it's gonna be worth your time or not if you don't know what the item is.
Yeah, if it's only like a $20 shelf and then you spend an hour putting it together.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
What do we got?
It says foot and calf massager.
Ooh, those are also expensive.
We had one of those on our last pallet and it was pretty sweet. It was tempting to keep.
Okay, we may have tried it out. Ooh, that's what it is.
Whoa.
Shiatsu foot massager.
It's a similar one, yeah.
Which the other one we had was like a $250 item.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Probably is close as well. So
Human touch.
we'll look that up, show it on the screen.
That's
Sweet.
a good one.
So between that foot massager and the first Keurig are already profitable.
Yep.
Hope you guys can see this is not just a hustle. It's actually profitable and a great way to make extra money. So
Yeah. Well,
we
some
really
people
believe
do
in
it full time.
Yes, right.
Yep. Oh, there's
Okay.
cornhole in there.
Cornhole.
Is that gonna be heavy?
I don't know. Oh yeah, it is heavy.
Right on season though. That'll be
True.
super easy to sell locally.
True. Yeah, last pallet we had some Christmas trees which are not on season.
Yeah.
This is perfect.
I don't know what it is about people from Michigan. They love their cornhole.
Yes,
It's like a thing.
definitely. Oh,
Whoa. Oh.
it's not cornhole. We thought it was. Let's pull it out. Yeah, it's heavy.
Those tricksters. Oh, it's like a gate.
A really large
Wow.
dog gate. Or maybe it's folds into like a.
A foldable gate.
Whew.
Careful.
That's
They got
probably at
us.
least $100 gate though. It's heavy duty.
I don't see any instructions.
Not cornhole, which is a little disappointing, but this is also a sellable item. So
Yeah, baby gates, dog gates, super good sells.
2 boxes left here.
Whoa, okay. All right. This is a trash bin, which we've gotten the trash bags on a pallet before of this
Simply
brand.
Human, yeah.
Yes. Yep.
Oh yeah, brand new. Brand new, Simply Human trash bin.
I actually have had really good luck selling trash bins too. I don't know what it is.
Is it an electric?
If it's the kind that's like motion censored, that are like the $100 ones. On simplehuman.com, it's $100.
Okay.
We'll see. I'll have to find it on Amazon.
It's an
but
expensive trash bin.
trash cans are
Sweet,
expensive.
and it's brand new, so that's good. All right,
Cool.
last one. Here we go. I don't know how great this one's gonna be to end on,
Oh no.
because I think it's a Christmas tree.
Oh no.
We'll see here.
Hey, I bought our Christmas tree off Facebook Marketplace.
True.
So,
Oh, sorry. Christmas tree. Pretty big one. Whoa.
Ooh.
With LED lights on it, so that might be like
yeah.
a couple $100 Christmas tree. We'll have
Yep.
to scan it and see, but could save it for Christmas. We have lots of storage. This is our second garage. So,
Yep.
sometimes that's the name of the game too with reselling.
Yep.
So that was a good pallet, my friends, especially for $225.
Yep.
Doesn't get much better than that. So we'll easily double our money, probably triple it. So
Let's get to listing.
yeah.
So there's probably about 20 items here. I'll spend a few hours looking it all up, listing it. I'll definitely have to spend some time going through things, making sure that it's good to go and all there, but really not that much time that I'll have to put into this pallet, I don't think. So it'll be a good money maker for us.
You think 6 hours maybe you'd have in total?
Yeah, between opening and looking through everything, that sounds about right.
300 minimum.
It's hard to tell before
Yeah.
you really get going and looking into stuff.
Yeah, that's $50 an hour.
Yeah,
So not
pretty
bad.
good.
So
Yep, it's a good gig.
we're believers. Hope you are too. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Thanks, Mitch, for the swag. Love it.
Nice.